If you find a pig, you can take it home, you can clean it up, bait it, put a nice set of clothes on it, care for it, all that. If left to its own devices, it's going to return to the mud. The same is true with people. You can find someone that you really want to help. You want to impact and touch their life. You want something better for them. But if left to their own devices, they're going to return to the same thing that got them in the shit situation in the first place, because it's in their very nature and they haven't done the internal work to get rid of their desire for the things that drag them down.